Hi everyone, my name is Megan and today I'll be presenting 2,3-dichloropentane. So as we can see, there are 5 carbons on the longest carbon chain, making it a pentane. I have the chlorines represented in green on the second and third carbon. Also off of the asymmetric centers, I have added the red hydrogens just for a little bit more of a visual when we're moving the molecule and figuring out its stereochemistry. So the current setup I have is going to be a 2s3r dichloropentane, and this is set up because the second chlorine is going to be a clockwise motion and the third chlorine is going to be in a counterclockwise motion. They are opposites. So the easiest way to figure this out is that chlorine, if we're looking at the second, chlorine is going to take first priority. The rest of the molecule to the left is going to take second because the first carbon is attached to a chlorine and a hydrogen ion. The methyl group over here is going to take third since the hydrogen is always fourth due to the atomic number. Since my hydrogen is in the front, I need to move it towards the back. The easiest way would be to switch these, or since I can, I'm going to go ahead and rotate the molecule until I can get my hydrogen in the back. And this is just to show the stereochemistry. So now I have my chlorine in the plane, my methyl group in front, and my hydrogen in the back. So now we can count from chlorine being first priority, over here to my left, the carbon with chlorine and 2 other carbons is going to be second, and the third is going to be the methyl group, and this makes a clockwise motion. So if I turn this back, this is still my 2s3r dichloropentane, but I can switch this to a 2r3s dichloropentane just by moving the entire molecule. And to do this, I want to make sure to get my second chlorine in front and my third chlorine in the back to represent that new molecule. So this is going to be a 2r3s dichloropentane. Now I can also make another one if I am to go ahead and just rotate these chlorine molecules towards each other so that they're in the same plane. So currently I have both chlorine molecules in the front of the plane. My pentane molecule is going to be in the plane, and my hydrogens on the asymmetric centers are going to be coming out of the plane. So this is going to represent a 2r3r dichloropentane. I can also go ahead and flip this molecule through the plane to where both of my chlorines are in the back. This represents a 2s3s dichloropentane. And just like I showed before, it's very easy to figure out how we came about these stereochemistries. Thank you for watching.